Alright, welcome back to another video. We are starting a new project today, and we are doing a 15-foot pondless waterfall with about 6 feet of elevation change, which is really awesome. We don't generally get to work with that much over a short distance like this, so that's pretty exciting. You can see behind me, we got a few outdoor living spaces, and then we have these beautiful windows back up there. So all of our waterfalls, you can see the steps there. And then right there, we're going to be having our 15-foot pondless waterfall coming down there. And then there's one more viewing angle or sitting area up there as well. So right at the top, right in here, up here, we're going to be trying to face that waterfall towards the viewing area up there. So first things first, we're going to be coming in here, cleaning it all, this slope, getting rid of all these rocks. These are granite. So we're not going to be using these. We have beautiful weathered limestone boulders up front, which I'll show you in a minute. And then we need to clean off this slope in here a little bit. Our basin for our waterfall to hold all our water is going to be going down here, right in the slope here, and then we're going to be starting to shelf our way up, digging in those flat areas so that we can build our way with or rock our way up with our nice weathered limestone. And yeah, so that one's going to be really exciting. We got this area where the machines are going to be coming in. This is that seating area up here. So they do spend quite a bit of time up here, so right up here I have that waterfall facing that way, but it's still viewable from this angle. So we'll make sure that we keep that rock work nice and low on this side, maybe do a wash in this area so that there's nice viewpoints from up here. And then through here is where all of our machines are, rocks and materials are coming through. We got our little MT100 in here. It's a fantastic little machine, nice and flexible. Then we got our E35, which is going to be setting all our stones for us and digging our basin. Like I said, we got these beautiful boulders in here. And we got an Isaac. And we got an Evan with a piece of plywood on his head. But yeah, check out these boulders. So yeah, stay tuned. We got some really awesome waterfalls coming to you live. Stay tuned. Check it out.
Going. Beautiful. Starting here on one of our last days on the job here. We are finishing up edges today,
and it's just me and Isaac because Thomas is at the stone yard. Let me turn you around, show you what we're doing. This is what it's looking like. We had this big tarp over here last night to keep everything dry. Right now we're setting the last rock we actually have on site right now. Thomas is coming with more later. We got this edge done basically, and the top just needs to be finished up. Yeah, we're gonna get rocking and rolling.